Welcome to Civil Service India. In this video, we are going to see what is political theory. It contains 5 segments. Number 1, meaning of political theory. Political theory is a subfield of political science that seeks to study and analyze the principles, concepts, and ideas that underpin political systems, governance, and behavior. It examines fundamental questions about power, authority, justice, rights, and the nature of political institutions and ideologies. Number 2, approaches in political theory. There are 8 approaches in political theory. Normative approach. This approach focuses on prescribing and evaluating what ought to be the ideal political system or normative principles for governance. It seeks to determine the morally justifiable and desirable aspects of politics. Descriptive approach. This approach aims to understand and describe how political systems and institutions function in the real world. It focuses on analyzing empirical data, historical events, and existing political practices. Analytical approach. The analytical approach employs logical reasoning and conceptual analysis to dissect and examine political ideas and theories. It involves rigorous examination and clarification of concepts and arguments. Historical approach. This approach studies the development of political ideas and theories over time. It explores the historical context and evolution of political thought, tracing the influence of past thinkers on contemporary ideas. Comparative approach. The comparative approach involves the systematic comparison of different political systems, theories, or ideologies. It helps in identifying similarities, differences, and patterns across diverse political contexts. Institutional approach. This approach focuses on studying the structure and functioning of political institutions, such as legislatures, executive bodies, and judiciaries, to understand their impact on political processes. Behavioral approach. The behavioral approach analyzes the behavior of individuals and groups within political systems. It examines how people's attitudes, preferences, and actions shape political outcomes. Critical approach. This approach involves questioning established political norms, ideologies, and power structures. It seeks to uncover underlying power dynamics and social inequalities and advocates for transformative change. Number 3, significance of political theory for political science students. Provides a deeper understanding of the concepts and ideas that influence political systems. Helps in critically evaluating political practices and policies for informed decision-making. Encourages critical thinking and logical reasoning to analyze complex political issues. Offers insights into the historical development of political thought and ideologies. Assists in formulating normative principles for ethical governance and policymaking. Equips students with the knowledge to engage in debates and discussions on political matters. Number 4, key thinkers in political theory. Plato. He is known for his work on ideal political states and the concept of philosopher kings. Aristotle. He has contributed to theories of democracy, oligarchy, and constitutional government. Niccolo Machiavelli. He is famous for his treatise, The Prince, which examines political power and leadership. Thomas Hobbes. He has introduced the concept of the social contract and the necessity of strong central authority. John Locke. He has advocated for natural rights, limited government, and the consent of the governed. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He has pioneered social contract theory and emphasized popular sovereignty. Karl Marx. He has developed theories of class struggle and the role of economic factors in politics. John Rawls. He is known for his work on distributive justice and the theory of justice as fairness. Conclusion. Political theory serves as the foundation of political science and is essential for understanding the complexities of political systems, ideologies, and governance. By studying various approaches in political theory, students gain the analytical tools to critically examine political concepts, historical developments, and contemporary issues, enabling them to become informed and responsible citizens and professionals in the field of political science.
That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.